Hello everyone, welcome to Windows Command Prompt series. I am Tabuki from InfoPulseJa and I'm excited to guide you through everything you need to know about the command prompt. In today's video we are starting with the basics. What is command prompt? Why should you use it? What is command prompt or CMD? It is a text-based interface in Windows that allows users to execute commands directly bypassing graphical user interface GUI. It's a powerful tool for performing tasks like file management, system troubleshooting, and running scripts. Why use command prompt? We simply use command prompt because it is faster. CMD allows you to perform tasks faster by navigating through menus. We also use it for automation. You can run scripts to perform repetitive tasks. It is also essential for troubleshooting and fixing system issues. It also provides advanced control, so CMD gives you access to features that is not available in the graphical user interface or GUI. Why is it important to know CMD? Now, understanding CMD helps you to manage your system, troubleshoot problems, and it also lays a foundation for learning advanced tools like PowerShell or Linux CLI. What type of tasks can CMD perform? Now, CMD can do various tasks. However, the main ones are file and directory management, network troubleshooting, system troubleshooting, and also running scripts and batch files. Can CMD be used for programming? CMD isn't a programming tool, but it can run scripts and execute commands for managing, automating tasks. That's it for this episode of the Windows Command Prompt series. I hope you now have a better understanding of what CMD is, why it is so useful, and why it's important to learn. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next episode where we will dive deeper into mastering CMD or command prompt. Got questions or topics you would like us to cover? Drop them in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Keep exploring and keep learning.